Hi, I'm Dr. April Lee, and we're going to do a face down cervical adjustment for Dr. Alexis as we fight over the basketball hoop. I do want to take it to the other office. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just feeling for any misalignments. And it's been a while, so she's definitely needing it. I like to do face down adjustments. I feel like it goes a little bit more with the angle. There you go. That was beautiful. Right now, I'm just working on those suboccipitals. Ooh. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Yeah, you definitely. All right, let that shoulder drop for me a little bit. There you go. Beautiful.